Hi guys, this is going to be a very short video compared to how I tend to go. Also, considering there's a lot more videos I've actually made for you guys, but because I've waffled on and whatever, they've gone over the 15-minute mark, so I've not been able to upload them. I really need to learn to keep myself precise and to the point and just not go off on a rampage or whatever. Anyway, this one will be very short. It's to review the Google Chrome browser on the Mac OS X platform. Now, as many people will know, it's out of beta. It's, a full release now. And I've got it open kind of close to the dock right here. So I'll just go on and show you. Now, all features work exactly the same in Windows. That being said, that's the problem. All features work exactly the same as in Windows. All features, including UI features. Now, Chrome is still fast as hell. I bring up a page, it will come up pretty fast. It's still a pretty fast browser, and Chromium's even faster, and I'm happy with it. However, with the development versions and the beta version of Chrome for OS X, they got the UI right. They removed this wrench icon, which you do not need for OS X. Yet, for the full release, it seems to be back, and I've found no way whatsoever to get rid of it. There's no need for it, because you go on there, half the features you're going to get on here and stuff, in your preferences and your help and stuff, that's your window menu. Now that is good for Windows, where on Windows, each separate window will have its own window menu. However, with the latest aero themes and stuff, a lot of window menus have been hidden. As I say, it works. Excuse me, it works for Windows. However, on Mac, your window menu is incorporated into the global menu up here. You've got all your features, you've got your help, you've got your window, you've got this, you've got that. It's all up here. There's no need. And look, your preferences. You can get your syncing details, your about, quick Google Chrome, hide others, clear browsing data, import bookmarks and settings, and your preferences. You've got it all here. So why put the wrench icon here? It gets in the way. It's, it's just a waste of space on an OS X version of Chrome. If they were able to do it in the beta and stuff, then why not do it in the full version? What? Because Mac users were complaining we don't have the wrench icon. I highly doubt that, because an OS X user is going to be used to going up here for their menu for any application, not here. So regardless, they're going to be going up here, totally ignoring this. So what's the point in it? I mean, I know I shouldn't get annoyed by little things, but this really does wind me up. And for that reason, and little small knocks like that, the fact that the UI and stuff, all they've really done for it is change the colour. They've not really rethemed it for OS X. I mean, Firefox does a better job of that, and Firefox is a bit of a memory hog, and I've had page rendering issues with Firefox, but I tell you what, I'm going to reinstall Firefox, use that as a secondary browser or whatever, or use Safari as my backup browser basically, because it's default installed anyway, and probably go back to using Firefox as my main browser. But as for Google Chrome on OS X, very unimpressed. I'd still use it. It's still, Chrome, would still be my browser of choice on Linux and Windows platforms. But I honestly don't think they're there for OS X. I don't think they've got it. You know, they've not nailed it. They've not got it right. That's just my opinion. Now, if anyone knows how to get rid of the wrench icon or whatever, please, by all means, let me know. But still, it shouldn't be there in the first place on OS X. I think it's a lazy port, and they've not done enough work on the UI, especially when you compare it to the effort that Firefox have gone to creating their own theme for OS X. You know, you look at a Windows version of Firefox, you look at the OS X version. The OS X version is unique. It has its own theme which fits in perfectly with the OS X user interface. Chrome doesn't have that. Yeah, they've changed the colours, they've made them kind of grey. Well, I'll tell you what, if you use Chromium on Windows, you know, the daily builds and stuff, they're all greys and stuff. Anyway. So that would be the direction that have been going anyway. So, I'm sorry, but I just don't buy it. So, my review of Chrome or Chromium for OS X, I'd probably give it a 3 or 4 out of 10. It does its job, but they just need to work on the UI a lot more. Anyway, this is J100R. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.